All right, action.
Hi guys, this is Ed from Ponderific. Today we're out in Temecula, California, where what we're doing is we're building a pondless waterfall. Now I want to tell you that in a pondless waterfall, one of the first things that our crew will do is after we've surveyed the site, we'll lay out the hillside. I'm orienting the waterfalls on this project so they're very visible towards the house. This waterfall is going to have an angular view to it. We've already got in place up here an aquascape spillway box. Our water is going to come out of our catch basin at the bottom. Go ahead and shine into the bottom there. Water is going to come out of the equipment in the bottom and it's going to pipe up to the top into this waterfall spillway box right here. We've got aquascape pond guard liner. It's going to come over the hillside. Boulders in place. We've got about 5 tons of boulders laying around the project site. The cascades that we're going to have should allow us to get between 4 and 5 feet of total height in the water at the top till it goes down into the bottom. We're actually going to split the waters in the center of this. We'll have 1 or 2 cascades, 1 single fall, but in the middle section now then we're going to split around an outcropping of rock, and it's actually going to cascade on in 2 different directions down into the basin at the bottom. Rick is getting us ready with 1 small final shelf. But what these are over here is these are called aqua blocks, and they're made by a company called Aquascape. They're tough molded matrix boxes that are strong enough to stand on. So they'll support the weight of a full-grown man, myself, 210 pounds. Okay, these boxes also hold water at about the rate of 30 gallons per. It's going to be a total of 4 of them. There's 2 more around the corner, actually 2 behind Rudy over here, but these 4 are going to sit inside. Our pump is going to sit inside of this vault right here. Pump for the project
It's right there.
is over in the corner by the pool heater. Is an Aquascape 4 to 8,000 variable volume wireless remote control pump. Pump's going to sit inside the vault, and see we've got louvers on the front side of this vault. It's going to allow water to come inside here very easily from what's stored inside of the catch basin on the bottom. It's going to pump out the side and straight up to the top. We've also got an Aquascape water fill valve that's going to go inside here. And we've got some Aquascape lights. I'm using on this project 3 little LED lights from Aquascape. They're going to sit at distinct locations on the waterfall, give them great lighting at a very cheap cost. They're great lights. And inside of one of these little boxes here is Aquascape's, if you can get the box open. Sometimes you got to use your keys, whatever you got at hand. I'll use my key really quick here. Hold on just a second. Okay. Inside of the vault, in addition to the pump, we're going to put one of these automatic float valves, and it's going to sit inside. It's going to mount, and it's going to automatically add water and float up and down. Make sure that we don't run the pump dry at any point. But so that's part 1 on this, and I want to recap. It's a pondless waterfall. Here's our catch basin, our spillway box at the top. What our next phase of construction coming up is we're going to go ahead and lay down underlayment, we're going to lay down liner, and then we'll get our aqua blocks and our pump vault positioned inside of this basin. And once we've done that, secured it and backfilled around it, made it all tight, then we'll start placing boulders on up to the hillside. But that's it. I want to thank you for joining Ed, your water garden project review guy from Ponderific. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. And just hit the off button.